And this is how you can unfollow everyone in your following list. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Instagram. Today, you will learn how to unfollow everyone on Instagram. Keep watching until the end of the video so you don't make mistakes. But before I start this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this. So let's get started by opening Instagram. Now that you're here, you are in the home page. You're going to want to tap on your profile pic at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then, as you can see, you have your posts, followers, and following. You're going to want to tap on following to see the people you follow. Now simply scroll down, and this is where you can see people you follow. Now, there is no automatic way on how to unfollow your following, but you can simply just unfollow them by clicking on the three dots and then tap on following and then unfollow. So just keep doing that for the rest of these, and that is how you can unfollow people. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.